So after you take the circlips off, there's a back washer here. Try not to lose it. That's the sits on behind here or on top of here, and the bearing I'm on about is here. Can you see it's all shredded? That's why it's causing. Sorry, so all this is all broken apart, and it needs taken out and get replaced. Okay, let me see if I can do it on the video here. Well, so that's the grinder, that's the spindle. The bearings is all jumping out now because of the bearing hub is not holding the bearings, which caused the wobbling. Anyways, see all this bearing mark? Try and get it out before you put the new bearings in. Otherwise all the metal thread will damage your bearings once it's repaired. So how to take the bearing out? You need to see this bearing hub here. Yeah, trying to hit it out, and then it'll come out. Let's have a look. I've got to find a hammer, which is not here. So that's big for the let's see if there's any other way of applying it out. Right. Oh, actually, all this grease is covered the 3 screws. Undo them 3 screws, and then the bearing will come out. This is not the pressed one, the one like for the cars and that. So let's do that then. One. Second one. One of them is does not want to come out either. So there's 2. One more. Right, that needs a bit of Number 3. See, look, once you get to that stage, the bearing will come out like that. Well, all the bearings inside, this is the bearing hub. The bearings inside is obviously gone. You measure the bearing and then order a new one. So for this one is 26 mil. 26 mil. Now they usually are like a numbers or code on here, but if I can find the side of it, I may be able to get the code. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.